Welcome back to Motor Future, the channel where innovation meets performance, and future meets the road. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Range Rover, the latest iteration of one of the most iconic luxury SUVs on the planet. It's bold, it's refined, and it's packing tech and performance updates that set a new benchmark. Whether you're here for the elegance, the engineering, or just that unmatched road presence, this review will give you every detail you need to know before stepping into the future of luxury SUVs. Let's kick things off with the exterior, starting right at the front. The 2025 Range Rover doesn't scream for attention, it commands it with confidence. Land Rover's design language here is subtle yet unmistakable. The front fascia carries forward that minimalist elegance, with a flush, gloss black grille that blends seamlessly into the new slimmer LED matrix headlights. These headlamps now feature digital light projection and adaptive beam control, offering even better visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. The bumper has been slightly reworked with better airflow integration, and there's a subtle nod to aerodynamics in the lower lip. The hood maintains those signature sculpted lines that give the front end a muscular stance without being aggressive. Walking around to the side, you'll notice the flush-fitting door handles remain, popping out only when needed, preserving the clean body lines. The proportions are exactly what you'd expect from a Range Rover, tall, wide, but elegant. Sitting on 23-inch alloy wheels with an optional black or diamond turn finish, this vehicle gives off a street presence that few can match. The wheel arches are subtly flared, not overdone, and there's tasteful chrome detailing depending on the trim you choose. There's also a long wheelbase version for those who want even more rear seat luxury. At the back, the changes are more evolutionary than revolutionary but effective nonetheless. The vertical taillights are hidden behind black glass until illuminated, giving the rear a clean, monolithic appearance when off. The rear LED light bars now sweep with animation, adding a futuristic flair. The Range Rover script is more prominent but still tastefully integrated into the tailgate. The bumper design has been updated too, you won't see any exposed exhaust tips, giving the rear a flush, high-end appearance. A split tailgate continues to be a signature feature, offering practicality for picnics, cargo loading, or simply flexing a bit of British luxury. Interior. Now step inside, and it's instantly clear that Land Rover has taken a leap forward in refinement. The cabin is quieter, more minimalistic, and more opulent than ever. The dashboard is dominated by a 13.1-inch floating curved glass touchscreen running the latest Pivi Pro system. It's intuitive, fast, and now supports over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The driver gets a 13.7-inch fully digital instrument cluster that's highly configurable, with crisp graphics and a clean layout. Materials throughout the cabin feel first-class, soft semi-aniline leathers, open-pore wood veneers, ceramic touchpoints, and even sustainable ultra fabrics for eco-conscious buyers. Seating is next-level comfortable. You've got 20-way power-adjustable front seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. In the autobiography and SV trims, the rear seats offer airline-style recline, memory settings, and an optional 8-inch rear control touchscreen between the captain's chairs. The air quality system uses PM 2.5 filtration and advanced ionization tech to keep the cabin clean and allergen-free. Ambient lighting now spans 30 colors, and the panoramic roof with dynamic shading helps set any mood. If you opt for the executive class rear seats, you'll get a powered center armrest, deployable tables, and even a fridge. Performance under the hood. The 2025 Range Rover offers multiple powertrains depending on your market. The base inline-6 Ingenium engine is still here, available in mild hybrid form producing 395 horsepower. Step up to the plug-in hybrid P550e, and you're looking at a combined 542 horsepower with over 70 miles of all-electric range. Yes, you heard that right. That's a major leap from the previous generation and finally puts Range Rover in serious plug-in territory. If you want the big dog, there's the new BMW-sourced 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 in the P615. It delivers 615 horsepower and can get this luxury barge from 0 to 60 in under 4.4 seconds. Smooth? Absolutely. Aggressive? When you want it. Quiet? Like a whisper when you need it to be. The ride quality is exceptional. Thanks to the updated MLA Flex platform, the new Range Rover feels tighter and more composed. The standard air suspension adjusts in milliseconds, smoothing out bumps while keeping body roll to a minimum. The all-wheel steering gives this full-size SUV an almost sedan-like turning circle, making tight city streets surprisingly easy to navigate. And when it's time to go off-road, because yes, it still can, the Terrain Response 2 system offers everything from mud and ruts to snow and sand, along with hill descent control and water fording up to 35 inches. This isn't just for show, it's still a Range Rover at heart. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Range Rover isn't cheap, but that's never been the point. The standard wheelbase SA model starts around $107,000 in the US. For the plug-in hybrid P550e Autobiography, you're looking at about $142,000. The SV model with all the trimmings and the twin-turbo V8 can easily go north of $215,000 depending on your configuration. Optional extras like the Meridian Signature 35-speaker sound system, rear seat entertainment, SV bespoke paint jobs, and even deployable side steps can quickly inflate that price. But if you're in this market, you're not shopping for value, you're investing in experience. So, is the 2025 Range Rover worth it? In a word, yes. It blends timeless design with cutting-edge tech, raw power with refined luxury, and city-ready style with true all-terrain capability. Few vehicles in the world can offer such a complete package. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement. For those who want presence, comfort, and performance without compromise, the new Range Rover continues to be in a class of its own. That wraps up our full review of the 2025 Range Rover. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more future-forward reviews, and drop a comment below telling us what your dream Range Rover spec would be. Until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and keep looking ahead only on Motor Future.